27. Full of J. Isa. Ito ang tayo mga 7. Up the cash. Isila sa 9 na basket. Yes, sir. And 30. Scoring on number 4. Ito na rin yan. Number 9. Sabek power rating Katamunan. Second personal foul and 30 fouls. Gimana? Decidos. Olaf J. 2 points. Two points. Anyone else heading to play? Number 3, taking shot. Number 25. 2 points. Running scores 3-8, 3-7, and 6-2. Up by 1 point. Zero. Then second shoot, number 4. Up, down, down, win. 16. 18, get Katamunan, 2 points. Zero. Attack the basket, 2 shots. 27. 2 points again. First deadlock at the ball game at 31 all. 4 minutes 55 seconds. Unit of the second quarter. Imada, ball 3. Sayang.
Imada. Basket time.
Ayan na. 4 minutes 59 seconds ulit.
Thank you, Paul.
Imada 7.
Siya pala ito eh. Saret for 3, no good. Ay, sis, Saret for 3, yes sir. For Saret, Joshua. Tabla tayo. Oh, sorry. 36, 34.
Payback. 32, it's the power.
Foul.
Christopher Ball, second keeper. 22. Second shot, basket five. Okay, official score line, 37-5.
Alright, official score 37-35. 2-point lead para sa Tipsy Pig.
And second
Outside
shoot.
pass, number 1.
Number 4,
Sares Moreno.
22, Wilson.
In and out.
Number 4. Number 4, 4-3.
Saret down. 3-point for Joshua Saret. 40-35.
Close it. Eight seconds to
Bad
shoot.
pass.
7 seconds to shoot.
7-second shot clock to shoot. Bola rito ng Baller Hood Clothing.
29. Philip J. Araw na yan. Pasensya na. Keep speed.
Score Baller.
Akin na to. Lumipat. 68. Let's go.
Set by number 68. Down by 3.
Pinabasa tatlo. 1 minute 14 seconds left. Number 1, Bantabi, Cuba! Ang Bantabi tama, Barangay West Ryan.
Essie. Sidestep. Steal.
Number 4,
Sares foul
number
shot.
2, Cuba.
Set by number 2.
1
4-37.
10 seconds. Number 4, 39. Bantabi the pass. Solid by Stockton. 25, final shot, Cuba.
39-44.
50 seconds.
Mabasa lamang ng Tipsy. Jump shot
Number
is
4,
good.
Cuba. Sixty-eight, number 10 down. And yeah. Waiting 7 steps. 5 seconds to shoot.
Wide open. Bang! 42-47. Down by 5.
49 seconds away, 8 seconds left.
Ganda naman ang pass. Alright, that's the end of our first half. Official score of 42
Okay,
42 in favor of the team Tipsy Pig. Kaya shoutout po sa all support ng ating Ali2 basketball. Our official score of 49-42 sa pagtatapos ng ating first half.
Mr. Ignacio Villa Cruz.
Sorry.
Boss Pauline, mga kailangan.
Apat. Only. Laglag ah.
Salamat din sa atin sa bola. Coach Nick Dagdag.
Eh, gano'n. Ay, ano na naman tayo, may usapan na naman. Wala daw eh. Totoo ba yun?
Watcher lang ako eh.
Bilang ako, pero ang dami niyo sinasabi. Kala mo kilala niyo buong pagkatao ko. Okay, up next, Kaplan. Game. Foul number 14, Ismela pushing foul. Second personal foul and first foul. Number 10, Saltico. 22 defense. Ano, 8 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 10, for three. Ano Kuka, Cuba.
$49-44.
Number 9, Cuba. Holding game lead. First, Cuba. At the ball. Yes, sir. First shot by Sheila. Baik pemirsa, Alina, di sini naik ke basket. Yes sir, come on.
Basket for the Silos. 55-46.
Ano?
By 11.
Sudah
Number
sih.
3.
And a foul. Number 9, Sheila. Second personal foul. And the second team foul. Ano, shooting 2. Basket foul by Ano.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Rebound by Cosi and Gianni.
Number 14.
Number 30. Ano. Oh, set by Ano. Yes, sir. A big
55.
Number 4, Sare. 0. Opposing Gianni.
Down.
8 seconds to shoot. The trigger man.
Pa rin.
Zero seconds remaining. Gianni from the back.
Boys ang double. Sabi natin yung official referee. 57-49. Napakawes at Perez. Wala.
And the Zeros, binubulalo. The trigger man. Napatingan. Sabre.
Si Irving miss. Rebound. Out that pass. All the way. Basket. 57-51. Down by 6 ang Tipsy Pig. Joshua Saret setting on the play.
10 seconds to shoot.
Is Silos, oh sorry, that's must wala. By Descarga. Floater basket.
Time out.
Zero.
Yes, a foul. Time out.
Holding foul.
Sub lang daw.
Ano, committed third personal foul.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds.
Sare. Number 3.
Franco.
8 seconds to shoot.
Real.
Scored by Ano. Number 13.
Number 13. Basket by number 13. 57-55. Desilos, change direction, binigay sa corner. Franco, jump shot, miss. Rebound again by Franco. Basket is good.
Ang magandang service, Sir Alex. Tanaw.
Kick out.
The big man.
Shot is good. 59-57, down by 2 ang Tipsy Pig.
59, 57, binaba sa dalawa.
Desilos.
Ito na, the trigger man sa Saraga. Zero.
Desilos. Side step kick out to
10
Saret.
seconds to shoot.
Saret for 3, short.
Ano, going back. Kuma.
Time out. Hanggang naparang na lang ako. Kasi medyo basa-basa dito.
And 1 second deadline the ball game at 59 off. 3 minutes 58 seconds here in the third quarter.
Alright, time remaining 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Bola po rito ng ating Team Sipig.
Second deadline now.
All 59 with the second deadlock.
Number 3. Number 10. 10 seconds to shoot.
Korea.
Finish it. 13 right over Jack.
Good.
Big rebound number 3. 39. Rebound 13. There's the basket. Goodbye.
62-61.
It's the foul.
Good count and one.
Basket foul number 30 Sunday. And number 39 Boyshak.
For a 3-point play by jersey number 39. Wala.
The rebound. Number 27. Taking shot. After Brazil Cabras. They lose 10. Number 3. Nakabigay. 30. Montero. Cuba.
63-64.
Pinabasa ka.
Not bad.
3-2. And Monteroso rebound. Goodbye.
65 change favor. Namang na ang Baller Wood Clothing.
Ako. Number 3.
Jump shot, no. Rebound by number 30 yan.
And the foul. Foul number 30. Second personal foul number 30. Fouls.
Wide open, no good.
And the foul number 68. First personal foul, jersey foul. $56 left. Causing big damage.
Out of bounds.
13 seconds to shoot. Causing damage. Back to Ramos. Release it. And Alberto at the basket. Gonzalo Filipino. And the foul number. Foul number 6, pushing foul.
Time remaining, last 36 seconds. Number 2 on the free throw area. Basket. All 65.
Third deadline.
Wala.
Number 6, Leo. And then the pass out to number 25. 625 direction.
Korea. Change favor. That's the end. Our third quarter, official score 68-67. So magtatapos ng ating babalik po tayo para sa ating fourth quarter. So we're going to the fourth and final quarter, 67. 68 in favor of the Chief Bid.
May warning na tayo kanina, boss. Wala pa rin. Warning na tayo, ha?
Okay,
Warning na tayo,
right.
coach, ha? Yung sa coach, warning na tayo, ha? Boss, huwag natin hawakan yung bola.
Warning coach Ryan Mata.
Warning coach, both teams warning. Ready for action. Number 6 pass, number 13, running shot and score. Change favor. Lamang na ulit ang Ballerhood. Desilos, kick out, and a steal. Number 3 to number 13. Oh, out of bounds. Saren at the post to number 2. Wala. Number 6, binigay sa corner, jump shot, basket. 71-68. Number 2, basket. 70-71.
68. And second shoot.
Step back 3. Yes, sir. By number 68. 74-70. Mata. Number 27. Basket. By number 27. Down by 2. Stolen by Mata. That's a blocking foul. the line there to say number 2. First shot is good.
And the second shot.
Missed the second shot. 75-72, 3-point lead para sa Bowler Hood Clothing. Emata. Brian, that's Kenneth. Out and pass, number 68. Wide open. No. Rebound by Desilos. Desilos nagpapadali. Desilos kick out. Sares. Shake and fake. Pass to Emata. Kenneth. Bad pass. Out and pass. Number 13. Basket. Producer number 17. 77-72. Up by 5. Ang Bowler Hood Clothing. Desilos pass to Saret. Jump shot, no. Rebound ng Bowler Hood. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Pinasa corner. Jump shot. Oh! Time out muna rito ang Tipsy Pig.
Bowler Hood going up by 7 points. 5 minutes. Zero. The trigger man. Pausing the action. 10 seconds.
Leandre, top of the key, short.
Short jumper by pausing the action. And number 30 back to the ball game. There's the game.
Number 3, what a nice alley-oop. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng Bowler Hood Clothing. Akol setting on the play. Akol, what a nice move by Desilos. Assist by John Akol. 74-81.
4 minutes, 30 seconds left.
Guys, sa corner, jump shot is good. 83-74. Out by 10 or 9. Once Irving, top of the key for 3, short, rebound. Ayan na, number 22. Ooh, what a move! Grabe naman ang spin loto. Akol, binigay sa corner. Descarga for 3. Yes, para sa Tares. By Descarga. 83-77. Umahabol dito ang Tipsy Pig. Number 3. 30. Pinasa corner. Jump shot. No. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 30. 10 second shot. Lock to shoot. 8. Ayan na. Number 30. Kick out. Wide open. Short. Rebound by Akol. Out and pass. Number 14. All the way and gets. It's a goaltending. 79-85. according sa ating official. Up by 6, or down by 6 rather. Number 30, Hesi. Number 30, kick out. Binalik, jump shot. No, rebound by Akol. Cross pass to Desilos. Number 14, Saret, jump shot. No, rebound. Unang tawag. Ay na ang Baller Hood. Losada, binigay. Floater, short. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Lamang pa rin dito ang Baller Hood Clothing.
2 minutes and 44 seconds. Good and last and final quarter.
2 minuto at 44 segundo para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin. Up by 6 ang Baller Hood. Akol, Hesi. Umatake, gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 11, John Akol. First shot is good for John Akol.
Reach 30 seconds, Jeff.
85, brother. 80. And a steal. Desilos. Derecho. Number 3 with a putback by Franco. Steal. 3 against 1. Number 44. Last 2 minutes. Paano natin gusto doon? Para downtown. 2 points lang daw po yun. Sabi natin official. 85, 84. Ayan, shoutout kay Wong, ang ating commentator this evening. Alright, 85-84, 1 point lead para sa Baller Hood Coding. Yes, binigay sa gitna, number 27, block from behind. Aina, Saret, and gets the foul by Losada.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. One minute, 42 seconds left.
Bola rito ng
Abit Bayan.
Sitig.
And 60 takes the lead.
Desilos, spin, drive, alusot. Si Desilos. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Sipig. Sa foul.
Number 3, first personal foul. Second team foul. Bugari. 5 seconds to shoot.
Jump shot, in and out, rebound by Desilos. Paso Akol. Brian Akol. Another own miss. 87, 86.
20 seconds left.
Ball crosscourt pass. Descarga for 3. Yes. Ball for Descarga. Change favor. Grabe naman yun. Time out muna rito. Ang baller hood floating. What a nice 3-point there for Descarga. Tingnan natin huddle ng baller hood. Time remaining, last 33 seconds ng ating laban.
Coach Brian, nag-standby
89, 87. Dalawa na lamang ng Tipsy Pig.
Sabit, mga bata, mga bata, mga bata. Mga bata. Coach Court. Shot clock at 14.
14 second shot clock to shoot.
Coach Brian, naka-standby ka pa sa timeout?
Wala tao.
10 seconds.
Number 27, Messi, drive, nakalusot. Number 27. Tabla tayo sa 89. Is our fourth deadlock para sa laban na to. All 89. Timeout muna rito ang Tipsy Pig.
Ito po natin pang-apat. 89 po.
Ayan na, last 23 seconds na lamang po ang natitira.
Okay, meron tayong timeout.
Both teams under no timeout left. Ayun na ba?
Mga bata. Mga bata, tabi muna kayo.
Mga bata, tabi daw muna. Let's go!
Mga bata. Mga bata. Okay, full court po ang iningin ng Tipsy Pig at 20.9 seconds left. Here are the final and last quarter. Eto na. Ano mangyayari dito sa 20 seconds? Bata. 15.
Saret, binigay. Kenneth for 3, no?
5.
Saret for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 27. Good. And we have an overtime.
Mga bata.
Tabla tayo. We're going to the overtime.
Extra 5 minutes na isang timeout. Both teams, wala pa tayo sa penalty.
Grabe
Isang
yun.
timeout, both teams, wala pa tayo sa penalty. Extra 5 minutes. Ganda naman ang laban yan.
Ganda na laban natin, pare. Ayan, oops. Shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga official dito. Hey, shoutout. Good. Hello, overtime.
Wait lang, natin tayo isa. Okay na. Extra 5 minutes. Coach Brian, tag-isang timeout po tayo. Wala pa po tayo sa penalty. And
Overtime tayo.
22. It's a trouble.
Four minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
On to number 7, Rimaka. Sole on white.
And
Bata, gilid kayo, yung mga bola. Rimata. Positively. 2-1. Ay, foul number 7, Rimata. First personal foul. 14 fouls. 13 fouls, correction. Monteroso. Arnold. Natapigay. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Long three.
Wow! 3 point for the Ballerhood. Behind Remis.
Stop it. Stop it. Iya, wow. Oke. Ahon, dari Bebe.
Number 11.
5 seconds shoot.
Coracle, all 94. It's a fifth dead. Tabla tayo sa 94.
10 seconds to shoot.
Kick out, jump shot, pow! Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa Ballerhood Clothing. Descarga! 3 point for Descarga. Osada setting on the play. Osada bigay kay number 22. Jump shot in and out. Rebound makakuha. Tisaret. Pass to Acol. Acol to Desilos. Desilos binigay. Hand off to Acol. Acol cross-court pass. Pass to Saret. Saret. Cross-court pass to Desilos. 5 seconds to shoot. Drive. 2 seconds. Acol for 2. No rebound. Uy, gets the foul. Iba na ang matangad. Last 2 minutes tayo. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. Shot.
Second shot. Ay, yan po ating mga player ng senior division ng M-Cup. Descarga sale the game. Number 10, Sapico. Number 22. Nailipit. Tupa.
Alusot. Tabla tayo sa 98. This is our 6th deadlock.
Ako. 27. Sapico. 4-1. At number 10. Back by number
198. Saret for 3. No. Rebound. Namang nakita dito ang Ballerhood Clothing ng dalawa. Number 3, binigay. Looking for his teammate. Losada. Pass to 5 seconds to shoot. SE. Bounce pass sa loob. Drop pass to number 30. Basket is good. Ay, out. Ang team si Big. With official scores 102-98. Yan natin ang handle ng Team si Big for this timeout. Time remaining, last 50 seconds.
Ang gagawin ng Team City.
Ano gagawin ng Team Civic dito? Apat na.
Okay, tingnan natin. Napasan ko na ano. Mga bata.
So kung gusto mo manood ng replay, re-repost ko na lang po siya after this game. And pasensya na po, shoot tayo ng ano. Last 50 seconds, 98-102.
Yan na rin. Team City.
Bravo, miss and rebound. Good defense para sa Bollerwood.
Kapit bayan. 40 seconds left.
Ano? Mababa to.
10
40
seconds to
seconds.
shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Number 3, jump shot. Walang tawag. No rebound. Ay na, tumatakbo si Desilos. Kick out. Descarga for 3. In and out. Rebound.
Alam mo, dito. It's the foul. Number 4. It's the silent. Penalty. Wala pa tayo. Warning for penalty tayo.
Time remaining, last 8 seconds. 8 seconds remaining. Wala pa to tayo na penalty.
All again. Silent penalty.
Last 7 seconds.
7 seconds left. Okay, up next. Kablas versus CNF. Thousand and game. At one by some people. Yan natin, second shot.
Wala.
6 seconds left.
Last 6 seconds.
Ako. Long three.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations. Bollerwood, a nice game para sa Team City. Alright, our final score, 98-103.
On number 13, Monteroso. Monteroso, the best player of the game. Monteroso, number 13. Yan po ay sa first game.
Ayan, congratulations po.
On number 13.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa ating liga dito sa Ali2 Basketball Open League 2026 season. Ayan, magbabalik tayo para sa ating second game or last game. Ayan,
Blast versus CNJ.
Kablas versus CNF, Tarzan and Jane sa ating pagbabalik dito sa ating Ali2 Basketball League Open League 2026. Maraming salamat po. And that is a compete, improve, and belong. That's Ali2 Basketball Open League. Hanggang sa muli.